Alright, whatever. I'm not dying. I'm sorry, Jenny. She didn't even 99 it. She 95'd it. I'm dead to a zombie, dude. What is Jenny doing, dude? Seconds? I'll give you seconds. Oh my Jesus Christ! What was that? Why was that so loud? Holy... In that doorway and they couldn't do anything. They had to go all the way around. He likes you. Mwah. Oh. PT? PT puggies! Shit on, loser. Shit on. Get fucked, loser. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. I was gonna dab dog. No, Jess, you're welcome back, Jess. We just left without saying anything. Sheesh. Sheesh. DC? Nah, he's definitely persistent. He's gonna face camp somebody. No shiny DCs. Bubba's don't DC. Counter what? Never use it. Might as well.
Try unequipping and re-equipping your fishing rod. Or like changing between them. What just happened?
She's bugged is what you're saying.
What? What is it? Whoa! I'm coming, man! Man! No!
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'll distract. Matt, where are you going? Matt, what are you doing? Matt, you had the angle. What was? I'm gonna pal out though. I thought you could fast forward from that angle. No, someone's here. Everyone's here, Matt. Everyone's here. What? Oh, it's so free. No, just go for the. Not gonna do it, I guess. He trolling? What the fuck just happened? Does he have Noah? Oh my god, you're fast as fuck! Oh my god, he's so Oh, if he doesn't have Noah, he's so mad right now. But dude, I don't know, he's so fast. Hey David, take the hit, thanks. Oh. Dude, I hate ricochet knives. Dude, ricochet knives are so fucking stupid. Dude, he's literally just hitting me around a corner! He used his main event on nothing. He used his main event on nothing. I'm not even there. Just standing there. He's just standing there. Menacingly. I mean, I could just pal stun him. Yeah, of course I got him. No. He had no clue I was there. He's standing still. He's standing still. That's good. Why are you attempting? What are you doing? We do have fun bus. We never get fun bus. What the fuck is that mind game? Hello? Hello? This guy's insane. I knew you were gonna do that. I'd still make this fucking window though. Dude, this man is insane. Oh no, she got Victor back. I don't like that. Hey, what's up, Frosted? How you doing? Okay. My last fault there. Just use Victor, you weirdo! There it is. Death of Surgeon! Oh my god. You blame the man? Damn. Corrupt. I'm dead. Oh, dude, no. Damn it. Don't shake your head at me. You got a good fucking map for this. Oh, yeah, okay. Who the fuck is this person? She slapped me on hook and shaking her head at me, dude. I'm already done. I'm already fucking done. We need to reset. If we reset, we win this game. 100%. Nope. Not true. 100% false. Alright, reset quick. Ah, shit, never mind, we lose. Yeah, we lose. Meg's dead. Oh, your death hook! But don't waste it, you could just shoot. David! Oh my god! Get off me. I hate my life, dude. Man. Death is certain. David, I hate you. You know damn well what you did. Yes! She did it! She blinked down! She blinked down! Oh my god. Man, if I was fully healed, this chase would be so much better. I didn't move! Shit, I'm stuck. I'm too busy looking behind me. No, she's shaking her head at me. She's 100% gonna tell me. It's alright, this is fine. Let her tunnel me, let her tunnel me, let her tunnel me. Just go do Shen, do a Shen. Yeah, he's on me, go do Shen. Keep going! Do it fucking faster! I'm still upstairs. Oh my god. How far's that gate? I can't make it. You fucking idiot!